Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to your girl Jazz, and I'm here at Tianyu Lights Festival here in Grand Prairie. It lasts until January 19th, not to be confused with Electric, a Lantern Festival, which is another event that I'll be attending later on next week. So let's go check out this one in the meantime. All right, so there is a performance. We got here later than we anticipated, so we went to see the 7:45 show. The opening time is at 5:30. I believe it's 5 to 6:30, or 5:30 to 7, 7 to 9, 7:39, then 10 to 11, I believe. My times may be off, but I know I have a great editor that's going to post the correct times up here if I'm wrong. But these are the show times, so you can know when to head to the far back. So let's continue on. All right, so what do you guys think of Tianyu? The only complaint that I had is I had two complaints. One, there were people here. I'm antisocial, I can't help it. I'm just kidding. But it was cold. That's the only downside. I had a lot of fun. I would probably spend a lot more time doing, taking pictures and getting more detailed videos. But I was kind of rushing, especially towards the end, because I cannot feel my toes at this point. But overall, I had a blast. It's a lot of fun. I got to be a big kid here, and I like all the little details and the animations and everything like that. So if you get a chance, make sure you come out. Again, it will be here until January 19th. For weekday tickets, it's going to be $23. For the weekend, I believe it's going to be $28 if you buy them in advance. And also, it's going to be $35 if you just decide to last minute walk up before and not order it online. So just heads up, you're going to want to pre-order your tickets, get out here, and have a blast, because I know I did. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And as always, stay tuned, stay jazzy. Thanks for watching, guys.